Okay. So I'm recording.
Great. Yes, it has started. So immediately after the lecture, you push to.
Okay.
I'll send you both my email and then my WhatsApp number.
Okay.
Okay, so you have your class.
Okay. Thank you very
Thank you
much.
very much. You are welcome.
Thank you, PM.
Okay. Please, good morning again.
Good morning, sir.
Okay.
But can you speak a bit louder?
Okay. Please, can you hear me now?
Yes.
So,
Yes, we can hear you.
okay. So, for today, Madam is going somewhere, and she ordered us to have this class with you. So I'm doing this with Theophilus also. Hello.
Okay.
Okay.
So we are with you.
Okay. So I'm going to take a particular session, then he will come and continue with you. Okay, so what I'm going to discuss today, we've already done it before, but you didn't do well in the exams. That's why we want to go over it again with you. Okay, so it's on test of means. Test of means. Please, are you with me?
Still, I think your voice is down.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, so as I said, today we are going to. There's noise at the back. Hello.
Then you can have that do pause now and
Okay. And then secondly,
Hello, PM.
Yes, please.
PM. I didn't.
Mute all of us.
PM mic is on and then it's interrupting.
So I would have to mute all of you.
Private, I think you can mute everybody from your end.
Or you can mute PM.
Yeah, you can mute PM or everybody.
Okay. I'm still new to this, so I'm still figuring things out.
That's
You are not the only one. We are all new, please.
Okay.
We are all in it together, bro.
Okay, but I think his video, like his audio, is mute now, so I can continue.
Okay, all right.
Okay, so as I said, Madam is going for a particular meeting, and we will be taking this class. Okay, so I'm doing this with Theophilus also. Okay, so I'm going to treat about, I think, some 2 topics, then he will continue from there. Okay, so what we are going to do today, we've done it already in class, but you didn't do well in the exams. That's why we are going over it again. Okay, so it is on the test of means. Test of means. Okay, so we are going to use 2 softwares to do it, both the R and the SPSS, so that you would choose between them the one that you think is convenient. Okay, but before that, we will use the R software to do it. But please, did you receive the data that you used today? We sent it to you yesterday evening.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Okay, so we are going to use that data for it.
No, we didn't. We only received slides.
No, I also sent the data to you.
Okay, I'll check.
Yes, please. Please, you have to download it and open your R with me so that you continue.
Please, some of us didn't receive it all.
Then please let us all be on the same page.
Some of us didn't receive it. When was it shared?
I sent it to your class mail.
Yes, I think someone also repeated it on our WhatsApp page. And I just saw.
Some of us are on the...
Yes.
Okay, so please, you would have to get the data, download the data first before we can move on, and open both R and SPSS before we can move on.
Okay.
Those who don't have can go to our WhatsApp platform.
Okay. So please, I'm waiting for you.
Which WhatsApp platform? I'm not seeing it on any platform.
Oh, this
Yes,
MSC.
the
This is MSC platform that I'm talking about.
So
no,
how about
but
the PhD?
PhD.
Oh, then
I think Climate. Do you
Boss,
have their email?
the MSc, their email.
No,
The
the
PhD.
PhD. Yeah.
No.
Yes, Clive, you have the PhD's email because I have seen on the slides you shared 8 of them,
Okay.
but I
Then,
can't see that document.
okay, then
So
let me
please send it.
Yes, please.
Send it to them now.
Yes, please. Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
But it's better. I don't think Better is taking this course. So how do we get access?
Don't worry. I'll share the email address and the password for you, so you can go there and get it.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
George.
Yes.
How about just forwarding it direct to Mr. Afo? I think he's the only PhD that doesn't have.
No, I'll just put it here on the chat here. It's okay.
All right.
Theophilus.
Yeah, Climate, can you hear me?
Then I think you also sent your data to only the MSc class.
But I have some data inbuilt in out. That's what we are going to be using. So that wouldn't be a problem. Yeah.
Okay, boss.
We'll be using those ones. Yeah.
So I've shared the email address. I'm about to share the password now.
Okay.
Okay, the password has been shared. So, sir, if you sent it, then we can access it now.
Okay. I've sent it. Let's wait. Please, I've sent it.
Okay. Okay, yes, I've seen it.
Okay, it's left with another one.
Okay, there are more than one.
Yes, please.
All right.
So I've also sent the other one.
does two of the data sheets have ANOVA R?
I think for the PhD class, there is a mail message that I sent that only has one data.
Yes, I just saw the one that has one
ANOVA
data.
R. Yes, that's
ANOVA
what
R, yes.
we're using for the ANOVA. The other one, there was a mistake in it.
Okay, so you haven't shared that one yet.
I've shared everything with you. You see, I've sent you two messages right now. The first one has all the data, and the second one has only one data.
Oh.
Or you've not received it. Sorry, the first one has only one data, and the second one has all of the data. But I'm saying that for the second message, there was a data called ANOVA R. It's the same one that was in the first message. So you rather use the first message data.
Okay.
Sorry, Clover, can you explain which one is the first data and which one is the second?
Okay.
If you can use the names, it would help.
Yes, please download all the data. Download all the data.
Yes, we have.
Okay, but for the second message, there is a data name ANOVA R.
Yeah.
We wouldn't be using that because there's a mistake in the data.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So the one we are going to be using is the one that has which of them? Sorry.
The
one that has, because the only data I'm seeing is the one that has ANOVA R, a CSV file.
But I've also sent you another one that has all of the data.
Is it a track regression data or the track PCA data?
Okay, that one Teofilo sent it to you. I just sent a message to you right now.
What you sent is the same thing repeated. There are 30 rows.
I'm coming. Right now, okay, let me check. Please check it again because I've sent everything to you. Okay, I'm coming.
Judge, I advise you
refresh.
Okay,
yes, refresh your phone, and then you receive the email. I think I received all the emails you sent on your page. So if you can refresh your phone and then you log in again. Thanks.
Okay, so you've received everything, right?
Yes.
All the data that I'm talking about.
Yes, on the PhD page, I'm seeing data interdependence.
Okay.
PhD page, as in PhD page, is in the WhatsApp one or the email?
The email page.
Okay. I'm seeing actually two messages from him.
Okay.
But the two what do you call it? Two documents there are still the same document. That's what we're saying. Yes. And that's what Emanuela Full was also saying, if I'm correct.
Okay, then let me send everything to you again.
Yes, please.
Okay, so I've sent the data to you again.
Okay, let me just refresh. Okay. Okay, I've seen a new mail.
Okay, so
Oh.
I've seen a new mail that has about I've seen
4
folders here.
Yes, please.
4 files.
Yes,
Okay,
please.
so which one are we using first? Independent.
Yes, please. Independent.
Okay. Okay, so it's the independent one we are using now first. Okay.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
All right.
So please, I want all of you to open your R software and also download the data so that we can continue. So independent. So please, can we continue?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Please, are we all, like, have you all opened our R software? Hello.
Yes, I have. But just give us a moment, please. Thank you.
Okay. It seems you are the only one speaking, so I don't know if all of you are like following.
Okay, I have the independent folder open and I have my R open. So I guess maybe we can.
The thing is, if all of us are to be responding, the place will be jammed up. You can't hear anybody.
Okay, that's right. Okay, so I'm giving you 2 minutes, then I'll start.
All right.
Okay, so I'm continuing. Hello.
Hello, we are on.
Okay, so thank you very much. Okay, so I'm going to use the midterm that Madam gave to you, or the exams that Madam gave to you, to explain how to test for the means of a data. But as an intro, I want to say something. You see, we have many ways of testing for the means of a data. So depending on the nature of your data, then you are going to choose a particular statistical test to test for the means. Okay, so we have one sample t-test. We have unpaired or independent sample t-test. We have paired sample t-test. Then you come to the ANOVA, which also tests for the means. But see, for the one sample t-test, it only tests one sample's mean against a hypothesized mean. So let's say you have a sample, only one sample, maybe a sample that you've taken from your class, maybe males from your class. Then maybe in case you are using a CWA, maybe you find the mean CWA of males in your class. Then let's say the whole school, because it's a population, you see in hypothesis testing, we hypothesize about the population. So maybe someone will say that the average CWA for PNP students is, let's say, 79. Okay, so then you are going to use your class as a sample, and your class, let's say the males as a sample. So we also calculate the mean CWA for your class. Then we will try to use your class sample to see if what the person is saying about KNUST CWA is true. So for that one, we are going to use one sample t-test because we're only dealing with one sample. Okay, so then we also come to independent or unpaired. This is when you have two samples, and these two samples, they are independent, they are not related. You see, maybe let's say you take a sample from your class and also from a different class. They are unpaired, they are not related, you see. But you can also use a z-test for that. Before you can use a z-test, you say that your sample should be greater than or equal to 30. And also your population sample, your population standard deviation or variance should not be known. Okay, so I think all these things you can find a book and go through it, but I just want to make it simple by explaining it to you guys. Okay, and also then we come to paired sample t-test. This is when your sample is related. Let's say maybe there is a new vaccine for this coronavirus. Okay, so we have before and after. So let's say so the sample, let's say we take your class as a sample. We take your class as a sample. Okay, so let's assume, or no, let me use a different class. Let me use a different class. Maybe there is a class.
Different classes.
Yes, let me use a different class. Let's say there is a class, and the class, all of them have the virus. Okay, so for the class, we will first calculate, let's say, if there is a way of testing for the virus and there is a method that we can see the quantity of it, or how high or how severe it is in them, then we will use that test to test for it. Then this before we've not given them the vaccine. And after we've given them the vaccine, we also test for the severity of the virus in them. Then we'll find the mean if it's equal. So then we can say that maybe the virus had an impact on them. Please, you get me? Okay, so that's when we will use the paired sample t-test because the sample have what? They are the same. It's just we are testing something before and after. Please do get me? Okay,
Yeah.
so but for the exams that Madam gave to you, it is an independent sample t-test. Let me read the question again. It says that in a study to compare speeds of automobiles, speed measurements were recorded at two separate locations. So you see, it's saying that the measurements were recorded at two different locations. So location one is an urban highway, while location 2 is a suburban highway. So using an appropriate statistical tool, test if there is a significant difference between the average speed at the two locations. So for this question, you could see clearly that it is talking about two different samples, right? So then we are going to use independent sample for this. So please, what I'm pleading with you is that maybe find any statistical textbook, then try to understand this concept so that you'll be able to choose an appropriate test, statistical test, when you're giving these kind of questions. Okay, so then we will use both SPSS and R to do this. The reason why we are using both is that it depends on you. Maybe you may decide to use both of them or one of them, because the R, you can use even a single code for you to get an output, but for SPSS it depends on you. That one too, it is there, but I just want you to introduce you to these two surfaces so that in case in exams, even if you don't, or if you forget one of the softwares, you can use the other one. Okay, so I'll be writing the codes. Please, can you see my screen now? Hello, please, can you see the screen?
Yes, please. Yes.
Okay, so
we can see it.
Okay, so I'll be writing the codes, then you write it alongside so that we see the output. Okay, so we can open the data for us to see how it looks like. So it is independent.csv. Please, have you seen it? Okay, so let's open it so that we will see how it looks like before we import it to our software. So I'm opening mine. Okay, please, have you seen it?
Quiet. I think you have to share that one also. Or
You said
you have to share the data you've opened. Share that one also.
I've shared it with them.
No, but I think
you can share it on your screen, or you can see the our studio.
it is the our studio that is showing, so you can
okay.
share that one also. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you have to share that one too.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Please, have you seen it?
Yeah, sure.
Now I've seen it.
Okay. So this is how it is typed in the Excel. Okay, so location 1, we have 12 the data points for location 1, then location 2 we have I think 10. Okay. So I think this is how it is in Excel. So please let's go to R. Okay, so please can you see the R surface?
No, we share that one also.
Okay.
Share that one. Yeah, share it again.
Okay. Okay, can you see now?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so let's rename or let's name the data that we are going to import. Let's name it as, let's say, Kwajo. Okay. Hello, sorry, madam is calling me. Hello, madam. Yes, I've told him. Yeah, he told me that. Okay, he told me that he's going to drop someone off at 100. So after that, okay. Okay. Okay, madam, bye. Okay. So for eliminate. Taxi abedi. Kachen say taxi. So abedi. Kachen say madam so on the another coffee. Hello, sorry. Madam just called me. Okay, so please let's name the data that you are going to import as Kwajo. So because our data is in CSV file, this will be our code read.csv. You see, for the R Studio, it will just pop up. So you click enter, I know that we've already introduced you to this, but I just want you to get it again. Okay. So it has headers, so we will set it to T. That's true. So Control plus Enter, or you can just go to this side and click on it. So you see, there has been a pop-up menu for us to select the data that we are going to use. So we are going to use the independent.csv data. So now it's in. So if we want to view it, you can view it in the console, or you can view it in the script side. So let's type Kojo. See, it has come. So Kojo, you see, it's in the console. But if you want to view it in the software or the script side,
Can you slow down for us, because we are going with you and then you're just running like that?
okay, sorry. Okay, so please, where we are now, are you with me?
No. Start again.
Yeah, let's start again, please.
Okay, so
we are still trying to import the data, but you have gone steps ahead.
Okay, sorry. Okay, but do you have the code now? Like the code that you are using to import the data. Do you have it now?
No. Can you start again? Start afresh.
Okay, so I'm saying that we will name the data that we are going to import. So we named it as Kwajo. So because it's a CSV file, we will use the read.csv code. So read.csv. So let me type it again. Okay, so read.csv. So even when you start typing it, there will be a pop-up link for you to just click on it. So you just press enter. You see, then file.choose. It has also come, but it is on the second row. So you can use your navigation key to navigate between them. So now I'm on file.choose. Then I will press enter. Then comma, then header. Because the data has headers, you set header to true. You can just use T to represent true. Please, are you with me? Okay, so then
please,
can you hold on? Let's implement.
I don't.
In fact, we are lost.
Please, why did you use T?
Because you see, the data that I just showed you, if you can just look at your console, it has headers, right? As in, I've named the data points, right? So we have location 1, speed, location 2, and speed, right? So you are telling the software that you want these headers to come. That's why we are saying true. But if you say false, it won't come.
Okay, so the T is true.
Yes, please.
Yeah,
you can type true.
Okay.
But in capitals, right?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Please do get it now.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, please, you can continue.
Please, are we all on the same page?
No, we are not on the same page.
Okay, so please, where are you at, Mr. Oppong?
I think we are lost, but you just continue. After everything, then you send us the video.
Oh, but at least I just want majority of you to follow it, because we've not yet. Okay, should I? Let me start everything again. Oh.
When I press enter, it doesn't show down there.
Yo, so go to your task bar. It might be there. No, when you, yes, please. You see, You see, when you run this code, this first code, you see, there will be a pop-up menu that will come. Sometimes it's on the taskbar, so you have to search for it. It's where it won't come on the R Studio. There will be a pop-up menu. That's where you are going to click to import the data. But because you've renamed the data, you've named the data, you'd have to type Kojo before the data can come. Do you get me? So this code will not just tells you that the data is now in R. So you have to call the data. Please do you get me?
So, I don't know what's wrong.
Let me start everything again. Okay. Okay, so as I was saying, let's name our data Kojo. So Kojo. Then read.csv. Please are you with me? Then choose. Then header, because it has headers. Header, then true.
Hello, Private.
Yes, boss. Mr. Labi.
Hello, Private.
Mr. Labi. Hello,
Hello,
Hello, Mr. Labi. I can hear you. Mr. Labi.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Labi. Mr. Labi.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, I have some issues on with my when I put in the comment, there's something that comes up, and they are telling me that the system cannot find or specific. What does it mean?
Please come again.
I'm trying to put a comment in, but it's not going to. There is something that is popping up, and they are telling me that my system cannot find the file specific.
No. But you see, what I'm saying is that when you run this code, this first code, right? When you run it, there will be a pop-up menu that will show. Sometimes it doesn't come on the screen, but it will be on the taskbar. So you have to go to your taskbar to see.
Yes.
So when
on the
you
taskbar, like on the folders icon, I think.
yes, so when you go to the taskbar, you might see it there.
I think he's saying he can't. It's not loading the file.
It's not loading at all.
Can you check your code? Did you write Kojo equal to read.csv?
Yes, yeah, and then the codes should be the same. Yeah, they should be typing the same thing as private is typing.
Yes, if you type the wrong thing, it will.
Because R is case sensitive. So
Yes.
if you miss anything, it will not run well. So
I've run the same code, but I didn't see they didn't carry the data from the CSV file down here. I only just see the same code I hit up there repeated down at the taskbar.
Yes. See, I'm saying that if you clicked on the data you are talking about, right? So that's what we're saying, right?
As in the Excel file.
Yes, please. You've able to import it, but it's not coming on the R, right?
I haven't gone to Excel to click on the file yet.
No, you don't go there. As I'm saying, when you type in the code, right?
Okay. Yeah.
There will be a pop-up menu for you to select the file that you want to import, right?
What I only just see is the code I entered, which is the CSV file choose, is appearing on the taskbar down there.
No, it won't appear on the taskbar. So if it's up, you see here, this is how it will be. Let me run it again. You see, there will be this. If you run it, I'm coming. Let me share. If you run it, this is what will come. This is what will come. This is what will come. It will open your
Okay.
file. It will open your file directory for you to go and look or search where your data is, where you save your data.
Okay.
Get me? So that's how it will be. So then you select it. So this is my data. So you select it, then you go to open. Do you get me? Hello.
Oh, yeah, I get you.
Okay, so it will just if you want to see your data, that's when you need to type the name that you named the data that you want to import with. So let me go back. So I hope we are going well. Okay, so this is what will come. Like this. This is what will come. So you select your data, independent.csv. Then you go to open. Open. So you go to open. Then
sorry. Okay.
Then when
Your
you go
screen
to
is okay. Your screen is sharing now.
okay, so when you go to open, this is how it will be. Then you would have to type Kojo, and press and Control plus Enter or run it before you can see your data. Do you get me now?
Yeah.
The question, Clement.
Yes, boss.
First line, you wrote Kojo greater, is it?
Less than or and the
Less than and then yeah.
Yes, you can use equal to sign, but it's best if you use this sign, less than or minus sign.
Okay.
After the read, is it a comma or a full stop?
It's a full stop. Read.csv bracket file.choose bracket and bracket close comma header is equal to true.
Okay, after the true, there's supposed to be a what do you call it? A
bracket.
Parenthesis bracket.
Yes, please.
I guess that's what I missed.
Okay. You have to type what is on the screen. Exactly what is on the screen.
Yes.
So please, do you have it now?
It still didn't give me.
So I'm saying that when you run this code, it won't automatically bring you the data. You'd have to. There will be a pop-up menu indicating
And
that you should select.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. The pop-up has not come. That's what I mean.
And I'm
today on your tax bar.
I still don't find it. It's not popping up. Let me see.
Maybe close all the things that you've opened. It might be at the background.
Okay.
Yeah, Climate.
Yes, boss.
Please, sorry. If I joined a little bit late, so I'm a bit jittery. And so, the Kojo file.
Yes, please.
Do you have to go and rename the independent file?
Oh, no.
So which one were we naming as the Kojo?
You see, it is that, but it's just we are just renaming it here.
Oh, okay. In fact, I did the renaming it here. I did like you have typed. I've typed everything like that, and I ran, and then in the console I'm getting, I think, mistakes. Untested Windows version 10 blah 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 detected something.
Well, it may be with your Windows.
Oh.
because of that message there, it means the problem might be with your Windows.
Really? Then I'm off today.
Oh, sorry, but have you typed in the right code? Yes, boss.
Yeah, I think let's show them how to another way of importing the data. Maybe that will help.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, they should go to at the top
I had
right
a problem with the vehicle.
environment.
Here.
With the vehicle.
Yeah, the environment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
When you click
Oh yeah.
when you click on the environment.
Okay.
From file.
You will see environment. You will see import data set.
Data set. Yeah.
The bank. Now they are waiting for me. They sent the message yesterday.
Somebody is giving.
Yes.
Yes, I think somebody is talking at the back. So.
Yeah, so it's giving me. He said we should go to file, eh?
Yesterday.
Yes, please.
No, environment. Go to environment.
Yes, I'm showing you another way of importing the data.
Okay, go to environment. Yes.
Go to environment. Yes.
The cadastral plan for
Import
signing.
data set.
So I'm hoping that maybe this
Have you seen that?
Please mute the person talking under the background.
Mute. Yes,
Yes, you get it. I think
I've gone to environment. Right click.
Yeah. No, don't right click. Just click on it.
Click on import data set.
Yes, click on you will see a drop down button there. You click on that.
You go to Excel, right?
Yeah, you click from Excel.
I think you can share. Okay, I'm coming.
Okay.
I want to mute the guy.
Yeah, please do.
So when you click on from Excel, you will see a pop-up menu.
It's preparing to import now. It's loading.
Okay, all right.
From Excel.
Yeah, from Excel. Click on from Excel. Yes.
Yes.
Then you click
data.
Okay. Please, has the pop-up menu come?
Mine has not yet come up. It's still loading, but you can.
Okay.
Let's.
But
I think I have. So let's go on. I think I have a problem because it's giving me. It says preparing data inputs. Required package version could not be found.
Oh, okay.
So I think I have a peculiar problem with my setup.
When you see that pop-up menu, you click on browse.
Browse, okay.
I think I also have a similar challenge.
Yeah, okay. Let's go on. We'll take the video and then probably.
Yeah, let's go on. Let's go on. So we don't deny other people.
Sure. Please, let's go on.
Okay. So, Climate, I think you can continue.
Yeah.
Okay, so before we move on, as I was saying, if you type or if you write this first code, right, it will just import the data you are looking for, but it won't view it on the R surface. So if you want to view it on the R surface, you need to type the name that you rename the data with. So that's Kojo. So you need to type Kojo. Then you run Kojo. So if you look at the console, you would see the data points there, right? So then if you want to view it in the R session or the R script side, you need to type capital V, then view, capital V, then view. So if you start typing, you see they will suggest it for you. So you just click on it or enter. Then you type in Kojo. That's your data points. So you see Kojo has even come. They have suggested it for us. So you just click on enter. Then control plus enter. You see. Please, have you seen it? Now it is in the R script side. So this is our data, right? You could see that the data point that we are looking for, you see, for the first location, it is the actual data point, that's the speed, is on the second column. And for the location 2, the actual data point is on the 4th column. We are going to use it because we are going to use it so that we get these data columns like separately so that we can work with it. Okay, so as I said, we are going to use independent t-test to analyze this set of questions. But before that, we need to separate the data points from the data set. You see, when you look at the console, it's like a data set, and it's not all of them that we are going to work with. We're going to work with the speed. That's the speed for location 1 and the speed for location 2. So let's name, let's say the speed for location 1. Let's say location 1. Location 1. So location 1 less than, and the minus sign, so location 1. So because we are going to get the second column from our data point, we need to type in Kojo, that is our data point, and we use this sign, the square bracket, and the square bracket, you can partition it in rows and column, but because we are not dealing with rows, we will set the row side to 0. This side, it will be 0 because we want columns only. So the other side will be for column. So we want only the second column for location 1. So it will be 2, right? So then you run it. So then location 1 has been run. So if you want to view location 1, you can type location 1. See, it has even given us a suggestion. So control enter. You see, these are the data points for location 1. You see, it's the same here. Are you following? Okay, or you can view it in the R script side. Location 1. Location 1. You see here. So we have 12 points. Okay, so let's also get the data point for location 2. Location 2. So this will be the code for it. Location 2. So the data point is Kojo. So Kojo. Then we use the square bracket, and this time around we want the 4th column. That will give us the data point for location 2. So location 2, then we run it. So if you want to view location 2, you need to type in location 2. So you see the suggestion here. Okay, so location 2. So you see the data points here. So these are the speeds for location 2. So you can see that now we have location 1 and location 2. So those will be the data points that we are going to use for the t-test. So for the t-test, it's just one.
Can you give us like 1 minute to run what you've just run already?
Okay, sorry for moving fast. You are supposed to close at 1. Sorry.
I do.
Hello, please, can I continue?
Yes, please.
Okay, I hope you've gotten the data points.
Just go on and we'll follow so that we don't take the whole time.
Okay, but I want to know if others, like I also have been able to do this.
Yes, I've been able to do it.
You've been able to, Mr. Emmanuel, you've been able to do it.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. Who else?
Where we have that location and is it 0.2 or comma 2?
It's comma 2. We use comma because we want the second column. So we use comma.
Hey, you can go.
Okay. Da Costa, Jeff.
Yeah, you can go on. You can go on.
Okay. Jeff. Okay. Okay, so I'm going on. So for the R, as I was saying, R is quite simple. So for the tutors, we are just going to write one simple code for it to give us the analysis. Okay, so this will be the code. So let's name, you see, because R is better that you just name it. Anything that you want to do, you just name it so that when you want to get the thing that you want to do,